This video offers an insight to the entire painting process of a landscape of a bank of a lake. I have used cold pressed paper and transparent watercolors. I have not used masking fluid and I have not also used white to make the tones lighter. I have not even used opaque light or opaque white. Hi and welcome to my channel Makarand Joshi Painting. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Among many points, I have laid special stress to 3 points: colors, creating depth, and composition. The composition for this painting is basically just three lines, three horizontal lines. And the elements I have explained are sky, the landmass. Basically, the landmass in this painting is a few trees. And the third element is reflection on water. So these three basic elements, and the composition is just three lines separating uh, sky from the landmass, which is basically trees, and separating trees from the reflection of the sky as well as the trees falling onto the surface of water. To have many options is really very good. But ultimately, you need to make a decision. I've used ultramarine blue, violet, raw sienna, umber, sepia, and sap green to paint this painting. In watercolor painting, we generally go from the softer edges to the sharper ones. And speaking of tones, from the lighter tones to the darker ones. This painting is dominated by cool colors, the blues, greens, and cool grays. This video is drastically pretty much different from all the other videos on this channel. Firstly, it is I've depicted the entire process at the normal speed. Almost around 80% of it is at normal speed. And in the second place, this is my very first video with a pretty simple three-line composition. As mentioned earlier in the same video, there are just three lines. The one that is separating the landmass, which is dominated by trees. The line separating trees from the sky is one line, and the other line is the line of the bank
of the lake, the main subject of this painting, the lake. So the line that separates trees from the lake water is the third, the second one. Okay, so there are basically three lines. One separates sky from the landmass. The second one is separating the water from the landmass, that is trees, and the third one is the line of the reflection of the trees in the reflected part of the water. So it's the very basic composition, and you'll find very limited amount of number of videos on this channel with this basic three line composition. And once again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button